Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are starting with one of the most interesting topics in mathematical physics, that is special functions. So, these special functions, before going to this topic, let us first answer a very simple question like why we need this special functions. Usually in maths, we solve for all the differential equation using familiar functions such as polynomials, right? Exponentials, logarithmic functions, yes, and also we use trigonometric functions, right? So these all functions we call them as elementary functions. What are these called? These are called elementary functions. Now, usually we study all these differential equations using these functions only, these elementary functions. Now, when we solve differential equation, we write the solution in any of these form. Nothing but the solution may be a polynomial or it may be a exponential, logarithmic or trigonometric functions, right? But in mathematical physics, the complete solution or the complete solving of differential equation using these elementary functions is not possible. Nothing but many important differential equations cannot be solved completely using these elementary functions. So what do we do? These mathematicians and physicists, they go for obtaining some other solutions, right? Now what do they do? When they solve the differential equation, they obtain a new class of functions. Now those functions with remarkable properties and with wide applications, such functions we call them as special functions, right? Now when we say special functions, meaning is they are widely or they are extensively used in physics and mathematics, right? So, or more repeatedly in many branches of physics and engineering. So, we call these functions as special functions, right? So, these special functions are As I said, they are extensively used. So these extensive use is in, right, where there is a involvement of heat conductions or wave properties or propagation, we can say, right, or where there is a electrostatics, right. So, or also I can say there is some gravitational study, yeah, gravitation, or we can say some quantum mechanics as well, right. So these are the different branches where we can use these special functions as a solution to the differential equation. So in many branches of science we use these special functions. So then our first special functions that we are going to study is Legendre polynomial, right. So there are other special functions also, but let us study first the Legendre polynomial, where we are going to find the this Legendre polynomials as a solution to the Legendre differential equation. Okay, so for the Legendre differential equation we are going to find the solution as a Legendre polynomial. Okay, so an interesting result is that when the parameter, this Legendre polynomial, we usually write it as Pn of x, right. Okay, so this Pn of x is a non-negative integer. So infinite series terminates and becomes a finite series here, finite polynomial. And in order to get this finite polynomial, we are going to use a method of solving here. So that method we call it as a power series method. Yeah, it is called power series method. In the sense, Legendre differential equation, we are going to solve it, and solving this equation we are going to get a solution, and that solution is my Legendre polynomial Pn of x, and this Pn of x is got, or it is obtained using power series method. Now in this power series method we are going to follow some method, in the sense some processes there, in order to get this Pn of x as a solution. Yeah, that we are going to study it in the solution part, right. So in the upcoming video we will understand what is this Legendre differential equation is, and how we are going to solve it using the power series method, and how this Legendre polynomial is generated. So these all and there are some important properties also for this polynomial. So we are going to solve those all things in the upcoming videos. And finally their application and mathematical physics, uh, how we are going to use them in the mathematical physics, we are going to learn that as well. So if you are a student of B.Sc or M.Sc or engineering mathematics or mathematical physics students, this series will help you to understand the topics from the basics. So I hope if you have find an introduction useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so that you don't miss the next lecturing. Okay, thank you for watching.